Let's learn the alphabet with the help of some art and fun. Part 3.
Hello.
K is for kite.
Yay.
It's a kite with a tail.
How are you? Bye.
L is for ladybug. It's a stylish, cute ladybug ready to do pest control. M is for milk. It is packed with calcium for your bones and lots of nutrients. N is for nest. It is holding 3 eggs, and one just hatched. O is for owl. It has its eyes wide open. It must be nighttime. Now let's make it bold and clear by thickening the lines. Time to color. Kite. Red,
Bye-bye.
orange, yellow,
Woohoo!
lime green, gray. Ladybug. Red for the ladybug's elytra. Let's give her a peach-colored face. Gray for her head and legs, and black for her abdomen and round spots. Let's make her antennas purple. Milk. Blue on top like the sky. And the bottom is white with black cow spots.
Bye-bye.
Brown for the nest. Birds are like architects. They build their homes very intentionally. Blue egg, lime green egg,
Whoa.
and pink egg. Yellow for the baby bird. Owl, lavender head, purple wings, orange chest, black feet, yellow around the pupils.
Ooh.
Time for glitter glue. Time for stickers. Amazing! We've got another 5 letters of the alphabet. Letters K, L, M, N, and O. See you in the next video for more letters.